Hi. So let's go in detail on the model structure assumptions. So on Get Started, there's a section here called Model Structure. And so this is the base settings for the model for timescale and how the model works. So basically, you can input the company name here, gets used in a couple of the reports. You can set, but the timescale is like the most important part of these settings. So at its core, you can set the model to work on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. So what that means is it sets both the forecast and the statement sheet this time scale. Right now it's done monthly and it goes up to 36 months. I can change this to say annual if I wanted to build like a 5-year forecast. I can change it to 5. Do a simple 5-year forecast. And now this model changes to 5. And all of the metrics and inputs are going to reflect annual assumptions instead of monthly assumptions. I can switch this back to I can do back to monthly and do 36. If you need to do like a 5-year model like by month, it's very easy to just insert columns of both the forecast, the statement sheet to make a full 5-year model. So it's fairly simple to do that sort of structure. The start dates, the date of the first period of the model is set in here, and you can also set the date of the fiscal year end. So if you have a fiscal year that is end of December, maybe it ends in like January or February or whatever, or middle of the year, you can set the fiscal year end effectively there. And then there's also an input for relative or absolute date. And all that means is with how the numbers are reported. So if you notice on the summary sheet, this is saying year 1, year 2, year 3. On the statements, it's month 1, month 2, month 3. If I go and select and the key reports as well. It's month 1, month 2. Now, if I can change this to absolutes, what this basically does is now it reports 2022, 2023, 2024, and these also reflect actual dates as well. So it's flexible depending upon whether it's more important for you to reflect the actual dates being used or whether just a relative 1 month from launch is an effective way to kind of communicate what's going on in your business. So up to you in terms of how you want to use that. If you have any questions about the model setup, happy to help anytime.